Today we're introducing the all-new RYOBI 40-volt HP brushless kinetic log splitter, the industry's first cordless kinetic log splitter. 40-volt HP technology delivers more power than an 80cc gas log splitter, giving you the ability to split logs with 12 tons of force and 10 times faster when compared to a gas hydraulic log splitter. 40-volt HP technology combines a brushless motor, advanced electronics, and high-performance batteries to provide more power, longer runtime, and greater durability. Best of all, no fumes, maintenance, or any of the noise or hassle that comes with a gas engine. Producing 12 tons of splitting force, the all-new Kinetic log splitter can split logs up to 20 inches in length and 10 inches wide. The Kinetic design yields a 2-second cycle time and 10 times faster splitting, with up to 150 splits per charge on the 4-amp-hour 40-volt lithium battery included in the kit. This log splitter will be ideal for splitting chopped down or fallen trees into smaller pieces of firewood. Transportation is made easy with comfortable hand grips and 11-inch all-terrain wheels, and the heavy-duty steel frame and protected battery enclosure enable you to operate this log splitter throughout the spring, summer, fall, or winter. When the job is done, the log splitter can be stored vertically to save space when placing it in your garage or shed or transporting it in your vehicle. Best of all, the 40-volt HP brushless Kinetic log splitter is part of the RYOBI 40-volt system of over 85 cordless products where any 40-volt battery works with any 40-volt product. This all-new 40-volt HP brushless Kinetic log splitter will be available in fall 2023 exclusively at select Home Depot stores and on HomeDepot.com.